When it comes to making complex die-cut parts, outsourcing to a converter might be the best option. Let's talk about contract manufacturing and how it can help expand your production. In the converting world, contract manufacturing is when a customer decides to outsource their complex die-cut part or a component of their part to a third-party converter. An example of contract manufacturing would be if an automotive supplier had to create 1,000 assemblies of something and they wanted to look at potentially outsourcing that work. Instead of redistributing their own internal resources to make these or cut these on their own, likely in a much more inefficient manner than a converter would, they would outsource that work to a third-party converter. A contract converting manufacturer would be able to produce those parts much more efficiently and at a much more affordable cost. The two main benefits of contract manufacturing are tapping into your manufacturer's expertise and increasing project capacity. In the converting world, contract manufacturing allows you to tap into numerous advantages. These advantages include experience developing efficient manufacturing processes, specialized converting equipment, and the ability to leverage supplier relationships. Aside from saving you time and money, this also gives you peace of mind that your product is being produced with quality and consistency in mind. Scaling is a vital part of the converting process. When it comes to planning to scale, working with a converter allows you to scale much faster and with much less upfront equipment cost. If contract manufacturing sounds like a good idea for you, we recommend that you reach out to a converter that understands your industry. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our Learning Center on our website or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.